The bags for this year's What's So Cool About Manufacturing contest are coming along nicely.
Yeah, but I feel like they're missing something.
Maybe we could put gibbets in them.
That's perfect. Let's call Freeform. I heard they 3D print customized objects.
Hello, this is Everett from Freeform. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm a What's So Cool About Manufacturing judge, and I would like to know if Freeform could print gibbets for handouts at this year's competition.
Yeah, we can. Do you have a design?
Yes, I'll send it to you now.
Okay, cool.
So here at Freeform Technologies, we have two different types of additive manufacturing. We do metal injection molding and 3D printing of metal. 3D printing of metal starts with the printing operation, which is a binder-based printing operation where a binder gets deposited followed by a layer of powder. And then after the printing operation, we go to a cure operation. After cure, the build box will then go into a depowder operation, and our operators manually excavate every part that was printed in that build box out of the loose powder. At that point, we have a green part, and they then go to be fine depowdered, where all of the residual powder will be removed, and they are staged for the sintering operation. And after the sintering operation, they are removed and it is a solid metal component.
My favorite part about Freeform is being able to work with the customers that we're able to work with.
I would say the big thing that makes us stand out is the technology we offer.
We're solving unique problems which they weren't able to traditionally solve until our technology came around. I think we have a world-class team that I'd put up against anybody.
For me, I think the coolest thing about manufacturing is that you get to see products come to life that you put your hands on every day.
Being able to see all of the parts that can be made through different processes.
I think every day being different is my favorite part of manufacturing. There's never a dull moment. You're never going to be bored. We work hard, but we have a lot of fun.
Being able to work on all the way from the concept of a product to actually being able to finish something and hold it in your hand.
Whether you're at the hardware store, the hospital, or getting in your car, there's things in those products that we get to see come to life every day.